What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another daily review where I cover my trades for the day. Today is Monday, May 8th, 2023, and today I lost about $59. I took three trades on Tesla, one winner and two losers. So let's get right into it. First, looking at the daily chart here for Tesla. As you can see here, last week, it was pretty much trading sideways between this range of 166 as resistance and 159 as support. Up until Friday, it broke out of that resistance with some strength right below this gap fill here between 170 all the way up to 177. So my game plan for today was to play calls above 170 to play this gap fill. So if we move over to the 2 minute chart here where I cover my actual trades here. So um, I wanted it to pull back. So it was trading in during pre-market and market open within the gap fill range. Um, It looks like it went as high as 173 at the time, almost 174. So I wanted it to come back down to the 170 range for a better entry, which it did. And 170 was acting as a pretty good support here. As you can see, it was chop, chop, chop. It seems like it was holding this level very well. So it gave me some confidence to enter calls at this point. So I entered one call here at 9:49 and another call here at 9:52. Um, Held through this little mini rally here, pulled back. Then I entered one more call, only because I felt comfortable doing so because I was playing really out of the money, so my risk was pretty low. Um, So I thought it was going to bounce back up potentially maybe, um, but it didn't. It dipped below the 170 support with some pretty solid strength. Hit my stop loss, which was pretty much right at this pre-market level at 170. So I exited entirely my position with all three calls. I don't know why I decided to chase after. I wasn't even tilted. I wasn't even emotional. I was completely okay with my previous trade, but I entered with puts now. Now I'm playing the other direction. I'm chasing, thinking it'll go lower. Um, but clearly, it was a mistake. It started to go the other way and it cut my losses real quick. And then I chased once more right after with two puts. It ended up going my way for a little bit. I scaled out with one contract, and then I decided to hold one more just in case it'll go further down. Um, but I ended up giving away most of my profits on this second exit. So these last two trades were pretty much pretty terrible. Even though the first one was a loser, I followed my game plan exactly. I was completely okay with that loss. Um, it was very low risk, playing out of the money, but these last two trades were just terrible. Chased, terrible execution, terrible entry, terrible exit. Um, yeah. But however, I will say though, um, I am happy that I respected my max loss for the day. I guess somewhat. My max loss was $50 for the day. I lost about 59. Obviously, I could do a little bit better of a job of that. However, it's pretty much right there, only $9 more. So, and I also respected the amount of trades I would take in a day. My max is usually three, so I'm glad I respected that. So, and then I called it a day after. So, you know, not the best performance. However, I think I did a fairly decent job at respecting or managing my risk. So, not too bad. I know we have a key piece of data announcement on Wednesday. We have the CPI. inflation data. So that's something to really to look out for, especially on Thursday and Friday to see how the market reacts to that. So yeah, that's it for me today. Hope you got some value or entertainment out of this. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and catch you guys on the next one. Take care.